That is our place. Ah, hindi mo makita yung sampay mo. Makita mo yung panty mo. Ayun! Tinitingnan namin kung kagano kataas ang taas kasi doon. Oh, nagbablog ako guys. So, we are on a Tower B. Tower B. Parang ang sarap mag-swimming, oh. Dapat may swimwear tayo, dahil. Eh, bibili pa kami ng swimwear. I mean, bawal sigurado mag-swimming dito na hindi ka naka-swimwear. Kahit naka-t-shirt? We, talaga? Teka muna. Dito, may resto sila dito. So, nagsaserve sila ng food dyan. Nagre-rent daw yung may-ari dyan. So, kung gusto mo mag-snack, ayan. Let's have a look. Ang sarap mag-swimming. Diba? Ikot tayo doon. Where? Yan, doon kami. We are on the level 20. My niece are on the level 30th. Yeah. Malalim kaya siya? Ang sarap mag-swimming. Dapat makapag-swimming man lang ako bago ako umuwi. Before umuwi sa CDO. Yan. So yan. Yan, no? Nice. Honey, look, where we are was there. I cannot see it. We are on the level 20th. So I don't know saan ba tayo dyan. Tinitingnan ko yung short. Ayun siguro. May mga t-shirt. Level 20 ba yun? So this is the place. There. Kasi may mga sampay din eh. So I couldn't notice. This is the Tower B. Tower B. This is where we stay. Yeah, my sister's unit. Tower B. This is the Tower A. Na ano to, nasunog to dati guys sa ano car park. Yeah, so it's nice view, hindi ba? Magsuswimming ako. Magsuswimming ako before I will move back to Cagayan de Oro. So I'm gonna sit here for a while. Oh, diba? Nice. Good morning. Good morning.